Hi there, this is Brad the Kitchen Guy, and today we're going to do a Misen knife review. Now, many of you have been watching me, use these fake Ginsu knives. They are okay, and they are a disposable knife. It's got a good rubber grip handle, it's made out of stainless steel, and it's a soft metal. It doesn't hold an edge real well, and you can see the serrations, and that's how it cuts. Now, I have just received my brand new set of Misen kitchen knives, and they are beautiful. They are a mix between the Wüsthof and a Japanese knife. A Wüsthof is made out of stainless steel, the tang goes all the way through, and it is a little softer. A Japanese knife is a high carbon steel knife, and it rusts, but it holds the edge better. The real difference between an inexpensive knife and a good knife is balance, the amount of grind on it, and how well it holds the edge. We're going to open this up. It gives you a set of instructions with it. Now, look at that knife. See how fine that edge is? Do a side-by-side comparison. Which one do you think is going to cut better? Now, it's only fair that this Misen chef knife costs about $70. You can get it for sale on $50. Now, there are things about this you want to have in your knife. The tang goes all the way through the handle, which means it's never going to come apart, right? You see the rivets? And it's got a sure non-slip. The other thing is how well your knife is balanced. Look at that. If you do a lot of cutting and chopping, an imbalanced knife would feel awkward in your hand and give you blisters. This one feels. You put it in your hand, and you know when you put that shoe on and it feels really good? This feels good in your hand. And it's a good rocking knife, right? You rock through it. This is a grinder. All right. Now we have also received the step up. This is the chopper. Same box, same set of instructions. Look at that blade. See the sharpness? See the balance? Tang goes all the way through. Feels good in the hand. And a minimal rocking. Here, let me move these out of the way. Because when you're doing chopping, what do? You rock your knife through the food, right? And you can just rip right through that onion or parsley. And they go, well, how sharp is it? Well, I tell you what we ought to do. We ought to do the paper test. I'm going to go get a couple of sheets of paper, and we're going to just see how they cut versus how these cut. Be right back. The Paper Sharpness Challenge, Misen. Again and again and again. Ginsu. Give it a fresh one, see if it does any better. Hold it the same way. What do you want? I know what I'm going to have. This is Brad at Brad's Home Center, Brad the Kitchen Guy, for a final review between the Misen and the Ginsu knives. I want a Misen. Remember to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I appreciate all of you. Thank you.